you've officially come to the end of this little experiment of the Book of Life. I hope it's had meaning, and I hope your life has more purpose, that you're a kinder human, and that you can really experience emotional gratitude. Thank you for joining me, and thank you for the purchase. This is the end of it. You're obviously more than welcome to buy another journal, just a plain journal, to continue for another month or two, but a notebook would also suffice, and then you can tweak it in ways that is personalized for you. The one thing that I do know above everything else is if you write down what you want, you imagine it, and the things that you want come from a place where you are grateful for the life that you have, and you're a kind human, the life that you want to live will be extraordinary and possible. I love you. Thank you for this journey. And please keep on following me on social. Please add comments, how we can be better, how we can change it. And the reason we want to be better and the reason we would want to change it is so that we can spread more kindness and have people experience true gratitude for this experiment that we call life. Love you.